Good morning, folks. It's time for some breakfast. I've had my coffee, or on my second cup, so I better start cooking some breakfast. It's just going to be burritos, sausage, egg, and cheese burritos. Got some green pepper and onion mix already chopped up. Some sausage, just regular old sausage. Shredded cheese. And some tortillas. I ordered this online at Walmart and went and picked up my order. They gave me the wrong ones. I wanted bigger ones, but these will work. All I'm going to do is fry up the sausage, throw in the pepper and onion mix, cook that all up, scramble some eggs in with it, and wrap them up in tortillas. That's how simple it is. One pot. So the cleanup is minimal, which is important for me. And let's get it going. I'll be back. So I've only used about half a roll of that sausage. The other I put in a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna put that in the fridge and make some sausage patties. And tomorrow morning I'm gonna have French toast and sausage. So I'll save that. And I'm only gonna use part of this bag of onions, so I'll be saving that as well for something in the future. Maybe use it in a spaghetti sauce or something. I'm just going to brown up all my sausage. And if you remember from last night, I forgot to bring any oil, and I need some oil for the veggies and onions to throw in here, so I'm going to fry up some of this and use the grease from the sausage to lube the pan, if you will. But this is good to make because, you know, I can munch on it during the day. I've been known to have these for dinner. Alright. Let me throw some little extras in there. Now the one thing is in this bag that I didn't notice when I ordered it, and I should have, is celery. I've never used celery in these, but you know what? It's all good. That's what I get for being lazy and not buying an onion and a green pepper and dicing up my own. Oh yeah, look at that. Looky there. That's plenty. Put this in a baggie. Because I don't have any Tupperware out here. I need to get some Tupperware. But I don't do long-term storage, so it's not that big a thing. Back in the fridge it goes. Darn it, man, I make a mess when I cook sometimes. Should have used the deeper skillet. That's alright, it's clean. But yeah, I can throw this in the fridge, heat it up later, and make snacks out of it. When I lived in Houston, where I worked, I had a friend that she would make these. She would do spend a weekend literally making dozens of these and freezing them and bringing them to work for us. They were so good. Going in the morning and grab one or two of these things. Man, I miss her. Alright, I gotta start scrambling some eggs now. Get that going. I think I had about 6 eggs. You don't want these to turn into crispy critters. But yeah, that's pretty good. And I'm not going to strain the grease off of these. I'm going to push it all off to one side and wipe some grease out and leave it. So I can dab a little bit of grease out. That's good. That's good enough for me. Now these make really good breakfast bowls too. In the other skillet, fry up some potatoes, some cubed potatoes. Put this on top of it. Put a layer of potatoes down in your bowl. Mix it with this stuff, cheese. Makes a fine little breakfast in a bowl. Yeah, this is getting close to done. I say let's call it done. Heck yeah. And all I'm going to do is put a little bit on each tortilla. Like so. It's going to be more like a soft taco than a burrito because I didn't get the big ones like I thought I was ordering. But these will certainly work. And then there's your quick, easy, warm breakfast. 1 skillet, plenty left over. Yeah, that'll make good lunches. I'll make a bowl out of it at lunch. But yeah, that's it, folks. I'm going to go have some breakfast now. Hope you enjoyed this.